Hi, I'm Eileen Lee, and today I'll be doing YLOG 4th grade lesson 22 worksheet. Don't forget to write your name and the date for today. So let's start with page 1. It says, find the quotients. And the quotients is the answer to a division equation. So example, we have negative 18 divided by 2. And we have a negative and a positive number. When you're dividing a negative by a positive number, the answer is always going to be a negative number. So that's why our answer is negative 9. As 18 divided by 2 is 9, and don't forget the negative. I'll be going over number 1, 3, and 6. Number 1, we have negative 72 divided by 6. So we just have to divide 72 by 6 first. And we see that 72 is a negative number, so our answer is going to be a negative. So let's divide 72 by 6. 6 can go into 7 once. 7 minus 6 is 12, and 6 can go into 12 two times. So our answer is going to be negative 12. Number 3, we have negative 50 divided by 10. So 50 divided by 10 is 5. And don't forget, we have a negative 50 and a positive 10. So our answer is going to be negative 5. Lastly, number 6, we have negative 32 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And we see here that our negative number is 32. And we have one positive number, which is 4. So our answer is going to be negative 8. Moving on to page 2, it says, find the products. And the products is the answer to a multiplication number. I'll be going over number 2, 5, and 7. Number 2, so this is going to be an order of operation, which is PEMDAS. So this is the order you have to solve it in. P is for parentheses, which we could see right here. E is for exponents, which we don't have. M is for multiplication, we have right here. D is division, we don't have. A is addition, that we have right here. And S is subtraction. So first we have to do P, which is parentheses, which is our green. So 6 plus minus 9. So when we add a positive and a negative number, the answer is always going to be negative if the negative number is a bigger number than the positive. Here we could see that 9 is bigger than 6, so our answer is going to be negative 3. Then we're going to do multiplication, which is 7 times 7. So 3 times 7 is negative 21. Don't forget we have a negative number, which is 3. Number 5, we have negative 10 plus 3 times 4. We have to do the one in the parentheses, which was this. Negative 10 plus 3, we're doing subtraction, which is 7. But you can see here that 10 is bigger than 3, and 10 is a negative number. So our answer is going to be negative 7. And then we do multiplication, which is times 4. Negative 7 times 4 is going to be negative 28. Lastly, number 7, we have 5 plus negative 11 times 3. We have to do the ones in the parentheses again. So we're going to be doing subtracting 11 by 5, which is 6. And we see here that 11 is bigger than 5, and it's a negative number, so it's going to be negative 6. Now we have to multiply by 3. Negative 6 times 3 is going to be negative 18 as our answer. Moving on to page 3, it says find the quotients. And the quotients, remember, is the answer to a division equation. So let's read our note. It says, when dividing two negative numbers, the answer becomes positive. So earlier, the first page, when we were dividing, we had a negative number and a positive number, and our answer was a negative number as our answer. But when you're dividing a negative number by negative, our answer becomes a positive number. I'll be going over number 2, 5, and 8. Number 2, we have negative 18 plus 9 divided by 3. We have PEMDAS again. So let's do the thing in this parentheses first. We have negative 18 plus 9. 18 minus 9 is 9, but we could see here that our 18 is bigger than 9 and it's a negative number. So our answer is negative 9. And then divided by 3. We could see here that we have a negative number of a positive number, so our answer is going to be negative. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. So our answer is negative 3. Number 5, we have 8 plus negative 28 divided by 4. Negative 4, sorry. We're going to first do the one in the parentheses. 28 minus 8 is 20, but 28 is our bigger number and it's a negative. So our answer is negative 20 divided by negative 4. When we divide two negative numbers, it becomes a positive number. So 20 divided by 4 is just positive 5. Lastly, number 8, we have 12 plus negative 6 divided by 2. In the parentheses, we do first 12 minus 6 is 6. But we see here that 12 is the bigger number than 6, but 12 is positive. So that means our answer is going to be positive 6. Divided by just positive 2. 6 divided by 2, our answer is 3. Lastly, we have some word problems. I'll be going over number 1. It says, a hiker descended 40 meters, but later ascended 20 meters. If this total change occurred evenly over 4 minutes, what was the average elevation change per minute? And our equation we're going to be solving is right here, which is our hint. So, a hiker descended. Descended means they went down. So that's why we have negative 40. And ascended means we're going up, which is why it's a positive 20. And then it says, if the change occurred evenly over 4 minutes. So that's why we're dividing it by negative 4. So let's first do the ones in the parentheses. 40 minus 20 is 20, but we see here 40 is bigger than 20, right? And 40 is a negative number, so it becomes negative 20. Divided by, don't forget, negative 4. When dividing two negative numbers, it becomes a positive. So we just do 20 divided by 4, which is positive 5 as our answer.